A closer look 1. 5. Complete the words under the pictures with spra or stra. Then listen and repeat.
Unit 4. Page 40. A closer look 1. Pronunciation. Activity 5. Complete the words under the pictures with spra or stra. Then listen and repeat.
1. Straw. 2. Street. 3. Spring. 4. Spray. 5. Astronaut. 6. Frustrated. 7. Espresso. 8. Newsprint.
6. Listen and double underline the words with spra, and single underline the words with stra. Then say the sentences.
1. In my family, all the traditions of our ancestors are strictly followed.
2. The custom of saying hello to strangers has spread through our community.
3. In our district, it's the custom for residents to sweep the streets on Saturday mornings.
4. That film strip really highlighted our customs and traditions.
5. Parents usually want their offspring to follow the family traditions.